Life as a man will be very tough. There isn't any way around this. Now, I do recommend that you try and have a fun life. You try and enjoy yourself. You try and have happy moments. But you should accept that life will be very hard as a man if you want to be a good man. Because good men are strong and they do what needs to be done. Now, I'm not going to make this video about being a downer, but I wanted to get that point across first. If you want to be a good man for your family, for your bloodline, for those people in your community, and for those people around you, you need to be a strong man. Strong men do not focus on happiness. They focus on what must be done. They focus on becoming the best possible version of themselves. Now, how do you become the best version of yourself? By being just slightly better than you were yesterday. That is how you get better every single day, every single year. It's called compound interest. Focus on being the best version of yourself. This is an important message that a lot of us can agree with, but yet we become confused and distracted by everything that happens in our day. Maybe some relationships we have aren't good for us. Maybe what we watch isn't good for us. Maybe what we listen to isn't benefiting us. This is why the power of self-hypnosis is super important, and I think you should take it more seriously. I've been able to cultivate my life, and everything great that's happened for me has become a product of my self-hypnosis use. Now, I say this because obviously I have to work hard. That's got nothing to do with self-hypnosis. I've had to be resilient, disciplined, compound all my efforts towards being successful. But without the self-hypnosis techniques that I've applied, I'd still be stuck on the same level. You can work hard on level 1. You can go to the gym and do your push-ups. You can try and read books. But without actually believing, without actually feeling like you can get to the next levels in life, and actually acting on those feelings, and being the person that can climb those next levels in life, you'll always be stuck on level 1. You need to start programming your own mind so you can get to the next level. You will be stuck. Doesn't matter how much work you put in. If you cannot be the type of person that is on the next level, you'll always remain on the same level where everyone else around you wants you to remain. They all want you on their level. You'll just be that guy that works hard on level 1. You'll just be known as that guy that does really well, but always on level 1. You need to help program your mind so you can get to that next level.